Today we are going to explain how to install Google Chat standalone app, also how to uninstall the Google Chat standalone app. First of all, let's see how to install the Google Chat standalone app. In that case, you should go to chat.google.com. Then you can see there is a option for install Google Chat. Just click here, then install. Now you can see the standalone app here. Then another question is how to uninstall the Google Chat app. How to uninstall. So in that case, you should go to the apps. Then you can just right click here, then uninstall. Thank you for watching.